Okay, gachtainna bua lum na aber agus na focail seo a deir amach as Gaeilge. So tóg físeán dit féin ag léamh na focail agus scríomh na focail I do cópar cumála sin. So what I want you to do is I want you to read out the words, right? So I want you to read them out, and then I want you to show me that you have them written down in your copy. So what I would do if I were you is I'd write these down first, then you have to cover them in your copy, write them down beside, okay? Write them down beside it, and then you got to write it down again. Okay, so it's like our literal layer, right? So we write these down in our copy, we cover, then we write, also, and then we check to make sure it's right, and then we write it again. Okay? Now, once you've done this, I want you to practice saying these out loud. Okay, so ag deir na focail, saying the words. And then you're going to take a video, you're going to show me your copy, to show me you have the words written out, and then you're going to say each of the words. So just once, so you're going to go through your list. So osel, holla, crown, mata, madra, marla, bora, banana, bosca, geta, turnipa, na prune. Okay, honest simply, very simple, right? You have two more of these to do, so you have one here. So mála scoile, leabhar, cópleabhar, peann, peann luaí, crayon, rialóir, bíreoir, scriseán, boscalón, ceapra, chuck. Okay, and then puta, pole, portán, lung, tun, octopus, dern, ru, brook, stucca, crusta, agus monkey. Okay, honest simply, very simple. Okay, perfect.